its last flying season. There you are, bravo, well done Bill. Young Bill Ramsey. Well, yes, why not, young Bill Ramsey. Oh man, that's over 90 degrees. Right, now I think he's coming around once more, and I've got a young man here, Richard Clark, a great aficionado and supporter of the Vulcan, and I'm going to hand over to you, Richard. All yours, mate.
I won't say anything until the aircraft goes by, because you're about to see a fantastic climb out by Bill or Martin, whoever's flying.
I think it's Bill actually, don't worry.
It is, yeah, I think it is. But this will be your last chance, ladies and gentlemen. The aircraft will then depart back to Robin Hood. So savour this and enjoy what you've given to the British public. All of you have given money, donations, time in kind. So please say goodbye to the Avro Vulcan 2015. Thank you very much.
Bravo, well done.